హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్, శ్రీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఛానల్. ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. రీసెంట్లీ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ద్రౌపది ముర్ము హ్యాస్ ఇనాగ్రేటెడ్ ద నేషనల్ ట్రైబల్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆది మహోత్సవ్ 2024 in New Delhi. This festival is organized by Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. TriFed was formed in which year? Answer 1987. Second one, recently Switzerland Tourism has honored who among the following Indian Olympian by unveiling a commemorative plaque at Jungfrau's Ice Place? Answer Neeraj Chopra. Next one, which of the following team won the Under-19 World Cup Men's 2024 by defeating India in final match held at South Africa? The correct answer is Australia. Next one, which of the following space agency has launched space missions to study the Earth's oceans, air quality and climate change? The correct answer NASA. Next one, who among the following has launched Swati portal, which is developed by National Institute of Plant Genome Research to encourage women to enter the field of science in academia and industry? The answer Ajay Kumar Sood. Thank you friends.